This is Akendro. Say hi to Philippines. Hi Philippines. Say hi Philippines. Hi Philippines. Parang gago lang. I will upload this in YouTube later. Where are you going? Where's your CV? I thought you give me your CV.
I call only.
Tangin na ka.
Home. Nepal.
You will go back Nepal?
No. I want to work in their two company.
Oh.
But I call already, right?
Oh.
Huh?
You talk already? What they said?
But no. I told you right already. But I have no document now.
Jason. I told you give me your CV. I will pass it there in the
But I
my
have
company.
I have only document, huh? No, I have no CD. No document.
Pre, live to ABS-CBN. Kumaway ka sa inyo, pre. Nagre-record lang ako, wala lang magawa. I-upload ko lang sa YouTube mamaya. Saan galing? Mga kusinero ng Fridays yan.
Hindi.
Oh,
I'll give you my document, huh?
okay. Give it to Bujoy.
Okay.
Oh.
What to do there?
Nothing. Just sleeping always.
No accommodation.
No accommodation.
And what is transport?
Transport, Yan sa SP tap-tap. Ha?
How much to cost?
Only 2,000 dirhams.
Huh?
2,000 only. Very small. Kumaway ka sa Pilipinas. Adik lang. Wala lang naman yan. Ang taba. Ang taba mo ngayon Mukhang sagana ka sa bugbog
So basic 2,000 only.
Bye.
Huh? Stand this. Basic.
Yeah.
Basic 2,000 only. Huh?
2,000 only.
Huh?
Starting 2,000.
Starting 2,000.
Oo, starting
You
2,000.
also starting 2,000.
Yes. Now 3,500 now.
Now, okay, fine.
Promotion This Nepal also Friday. This new guy from Nepal also. This from Friday also. Lang. Sige, stop na. Bye-bye. Mamaya ulit.